Hey, middle school history, welcome to week 5 of remote learning. We are wrapping up our class this week. So the goal is to finish your Mesoamerica and the environment project. So you need to create your infographic poster and submit that in the final product. And I want to scroll down and I want to remind you that checkpoint 4, 5, and 6, all three, get copied into those final products. So checkpoint 4 was the comparison chart. That's the first final product. Checkpoint 5 is the environmental research that goes into the second final product. And then checkpoint 6 is that draft version of your infographic or your digital poster, and that goes into the third final product. So you want to submit that poster, make sure that it's finished and that you've gotten feedback from 2 classmates, or you could have your mom and dad look at it at home. But get 2 people to look at that and provide you some feedback, and then submit that in the final product. So the goal by Friday is that you have all of your projects wrapped up and you have your power focus areas all completed, so that next week you can do all of the fun interim classes without having to stress or having to worry about makeup. If you need additional time, Tuesday evening, I'm going to have a work session from 4 to 6 p.m. So you could jump on and work with me if you need power focus areas or you need something then. You could jump on for that evening work session. And then I'll also have a call back on Friday. So both of those are other opportunities if you feel like you need more work time, or if you have missing projects or missing power focus areas that you need to go back and wrap up. But I hope that you have a wonderful week. And if you need anything, let me know.